Hello friends, so today I'm going to have a review of these two products. This one is Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil and it is in 4.5. So this is a dark brown. Okay, and this one is Anastasia Beverly Hills. The color is dark brown as well. Okay, so packaging. Let's review first the packaging. This one is a pencil. This is a retractable pencil. Come on. This is a retractable pencil. Ayan. Retractable pencil. And unlike other pencil, etong Benefit, etong mismong pencil niya is soft. Not too soft, not too hard pala. Okay? Hindi siya mahirap gamitin. Kasi merong iba, kahit na ginaglide mo na, parang hindi siya masyadong nagdo-drawing agad eh. Eto, sobrang dali kasi madali siyang i-glide. Hindi katulad nung iba, may ginamit kasi ako before na pag paulit-ulit yung stroke na ginawa mo, if you repeat the strokes more than 3 times or 4 times, namumula na. Pero eto kasi, in just one stroke, nagkakaroon na ng drawing. So, you don't have to repeat it twice or thrice. Okay? So, ayan. And this one retails for 850. Basta nasa 850 something, 800 plus, ganun. Almost 900. Parang ganyan. Ayan. And then, the other one, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills and the color is dark brown. This one is pomade. So, ayan. Malambot yan. Sobrang lambot. Pero hindi siya yung tipo ng malambot na kapag nilagay mo, mahirap kontrolin, tsaka mahirap patuyuin. No, it's not. In 3 seconds or 4 seconds, na feel ko na kahit iganyan ko, kahit ganyanin ko ng daliri, hindi kumakalat. So, ayan. Okay. So, this product, this pomade is contained in this jar. Medyo mabigat. Okay. So, if you're going to ask me, ano yung mas okay in, kumaga kung ang pag-uusapan natin is mas okay dalhin sa bag, kasi ito, igaganyan mo lang. 'Di ba? Ilalagay mo lang sa loob ng pouch mo, pero ito kasi, ang bigat eh. Ang bigat, at saka, parang, nag-aalala ako na, pag nabunggo siya, may tendency na, mabasag. So, I am more careful with this. Kasi nga, yung jar niya is babasagin. Okay? So, another thing is that, if you have this pomade, kailangan, meron kayo nitong brush. Okay? Any brush, actually. But I prefer this. This is by Zooeva. This is a German brand. Okay? This is Zooeva Brow Line 322. Kita ba? Okay. So, and pag tinignan nyo, ayan, yung tip niya, sobrang, lang niya. Sobrang ikli. Yung bristles niya, maikli. Okay? So, ang benefit naman nung ganyang kaikling bristles is that madaling kontrolin. Okay? So, once you dip it into the pomade or the jar, and then you glide it, mas madali siyang kontrolin. Okay? So, I am going to try this on my left brow, and then this one here. Okay, so simulan na natin. We will start with this pomade. What I do with this is I dip the tip only. Igaganyan lang. Sobrang, lang, magaan lang na kamay. Okay? Hindi kailangan ng diinan kasi sobrang pigmented niya. So, what I do is, ginaglide ko lang siya dito. Okay? Ginaglide ko siya dito. And then, wait lang. Okay, the reason why I put it here, kasi the first time you get the product, and then if you, for example, you dip it, and then you use it directly here, parang sobrang dark. Okay, sobrang dark, and you wouldn't know if you get too much or not enough product. So, dapat i-glide mo siya dyan. Ayan. Para yung product nakaspread dito evenly. Okay, so let's do it. I'm going to apply it here first. Mas sanay ako sa ganito. Here. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, what I'm doing right now is I am drawing an outline. Ina-outline ko muna siya. I'm drawing an outline first. I'm not yet filling in. I'm just drawing the outline. Okay. So that's it. And then now I'm going to fill it in. I'm filling it in. Sorry ngayon ko lang talaga itong pag-apply na to na on cam. Ayan. Sobrang matagal ako magkilay. Hindi naman kasi ako expert eh. Hindi ako expert sa pagkikilay. Okay, and then yung natitirang product, yun yung nilalagay ko dito. So, pinifill in ko to. Okay. Ayan, ganyan lang ako actually maglagay. For daily use, papasok ka lang. Hindi ka naman pupunta sa okasyon. Siguro okay na yung ganito. Actually, eto hindi to magastos. Medyo mahal siya, mga sa 1,000 plus. Pero what I like about this, di ba kanina, earlier, I put it here. What I do is, I go back here, and then rub it, and then apply it. The second and third time. So, hindi siya ganun kagastos din. Kung titingnan nyo kasi, di ba parang ang liit lang talaga niya. Actually, ito ay, ilang grams ba to? Wait lang ha. 4.0 grams. Ayan. Ito lang yung product niya. From here, hanggang dito lang yung product. Dito sa linya na to. Ito lang yung product. 4.0 grams yan. Okay? So, ayan na siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Okay, now. So, like what I've told you earlier, mga, between 2 seconds to 4 seconds, pag hinipo nyo siya, yung pomade dries up already. Okay, wala. Waterproof to, so sweatproof. So kahit pagpawisan ka, abutan ka ng ulan, hindi siya naguhulas. Okay, unlike this. Okay, if you're caught in the rain wearing this pencil, talagang umuhula siya, nawawala siya. Okay, pero ito, I can attest na talagang hindi nabubura. Unless, syempre, yung, kumbaga, gagamitan mo ng pang ano talaga, pang tanggal. Okay, like yung micellar water or oil. So, yun. So, let's now wear this on the right side. Ito naman yung ilalagay. Gagamitin natin. Dito sa right side. Okay? So, wait lang. Kunin ko pala yung brush. Wait lang. Okay, so this is the brush. Ito yung brush. This is the brush looks like. When I bought this, since this is small, it doesn't come with a brush or spoolie. Okay, on the other end. Usually, pag mahaba binili mo, may spoolie dito. But since it doesn't have, so they provide me with this. So, binigay nila ito for free. Dalawa actually. And, ito ay, ganyan siya, malambot. So, pwede mo siyang i-angle. Ganyan. Okay. So, going back. Kanina, when I applied the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Brown here, hindi na ako gumamit nito. And I'm always on the rush, especially pag papasok. Kaya, mas prefer ko talaga gamitin yung Anastasia kasi talagang ang dali niyang i-glide without the use of brush. Hindi ko na to kailangan. Ito lang, basta itong brush lang na to yung pang-apply. Okay, now, so, what I usually do when I use this is to brush my brows with this spoolie. Pero masanay naman ako na diretso so ganyan na lang. So, again, yung color nito is 4.5. Pencil naman. And, ganun pa rin. Dito talaga ako nagsisimula. Hanggang dito. Tapos dito, papunta doon. And then, yung matitira, matitira. Yung huling stroke na ginagawa ko, yung dito. Mas slight na pressure. Okay, so, ang gawin ulit natin. Hindi ako masyadong magaling mag-drawing. Ayan, napansin nyo, isa, dalawang stroke lang. Ayun na siya, meron na siyang linya. Ang daling gamitin ito. Unlike yung dati kong gamit, namumula na yung yung ganito ko, yung kilay ko. Ito, ang dali. And then, I am outlining now the lower part. Outline pa lang to. Kung hindi ko to mapantay, siguro okay lang naman, no? Kasi hindi naman talaga pantay yung kilay, eh. So, ayan, naka-outline na siya. And then, I'm going to fill in I'm going to fill in from here, going there, bago dito. Okay? So, kanina, yung angle ko, pag ganito. Ngayon, pag ganito na. Okay? Hindi ko ito mapantay. Gosh. Patawarin niyo ako pag di ko ito napantay. Parang di na ako masyadong sanay gumamit ng pencil. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, ititisyo ko lang to. Kasi, ayan, it happens. Natural lang yun, di ba? Lalo sa hindi naman expert katulad ko. So, okay lang yun. Ayan. Okay. And then, what I do is, ayan na siya. Fill in lang natin. And then what I do is I use the spoolie or the brush. And, ayan. Okay. Brushin lang natin. Para hindi ganun katapang yung dating. Okay. So, yan. This is the pencil and this is the pomade. Okay, so you be the judge now. Which one do you prefer? Ako mas prefer ko tong pomade in terms of yung application kasi madali siya. Okay? It saves me time. Although madali ding gamitin ito. Madali ring gamitin. Particularly etong brand na to. Kasi there are different brands na ganito naman di ba? Pero with this brand, mas gusto ko because malambot. Okay, malambot siya. But I prefer the pomade in terms of sa dali ng application. Pero I strongly suggest for pomade, you should use this type of bristles. Ito, this short bristles because mas madali siyang i-control. Okay? So, this is it. Ayan. Not much of a difference actually. In person, not much of a difference. You wouldn't know na ito pomade and this one is pencil. The color is similar. They are similar in color. Pero, yun nga, kung uulan, for sure ito matatanggal. Ito hindi. Okay? So, that's it for these products. I recommend both. Pero, kung ako yung tatanungin nyo, kung opinion ko, I prefer this. Okay? Sa pomade, I prefer this brand. Sa pencil naman, I prefer Benefit. Okay? Minsan ginagamit ko sparingly. Okay? Hindi naman ako masyadong, kumbaga, I don't stick too much on using this. Kasi meron akong stock nito eh. So, actually, yun yung reason ko as of now. Maybe I will decide whether saan ba ako talaga with a pomade or a pencil. Siguro mga nakailang gamit na ako. Okay? So, eto, I already repurchased this couple of times. Eto, this is the first time that I purchased from this brand, the pomade. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye!